Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. Solving radical equation 2. In this video, I will introduce you solving two radical equations. One is square root 2x plus 1 minus square root x plus 8 equals 0. Remember, in solving radical equation 1, and we square both sides, and so that the square root gone. Now, if we square both sides, square this one, but we cannot even square of this one, square of this one, square root gone, but still have square root, right? Because if you put all this one square both sides. So what we can do, because this is 0, we can move one square root to the other side, get 2x plus 1 equals x plus 8, right? Because on the right side equals 0, we can move the radical to the other side so that each side have radical. Then we square both sides, right? We square both sides. Square the left side and square the right side. In this way, both square root gone. We have 2x plus 1 equals x plus 8. So we just transpose x to the left side. 2x minus x. Transpose 1 to the other side, 8 minus 1, with x equals 7, right? To see if this is the answer, we should plug x equals 7 into the original equation. And check to see x equals 7 is the solution. So we have square root 2 times 7 plus 1. To see if it is equal to 7 plus 8 x. 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 1 is square root 15. On the other side also equals 15, right? As both sides equal, this one equal this one, right? Even you put this one is minus this one equals 0, right? This one minus this one, which is this one equals 0. So same thing. We didn't do make any change, just move it, right? You either can put this one or this one. So that's why this one. So x equals 7 is the solution. Second example is this one. Square root x plus 45 minus, let's say, plus square root x equals 9. So this is a little bit different from the first one. First one is something radical minus another radical equals 0. So when we move one radical on the other side, both sides only have one radical. Now we have number. So we also need separate radicals. We separate this one with that one, so which we can do x plus 45 equals 9 minus square root x, right? So in this way, then we square both sides. As a result, you can see x plus 45 squared equals 9 minus square root x squared. Square both sides, and not square each term. Square left side, square right side. So on the left side, after square, the radical gone, we got x plus 45. On the right side, because perfect square, we will got the 3 terms. The first term is square. The first term, you got 9 square. You can write step by step. 9 square. The last one is plus square root x square. The midterm is, this is subtract and multiply 3 numbers. Multiply 9 with negative root x, which is minus 18 root x, right? Because perfect square, after expansion, you have 3 terms. The first one is the first number square. The last one is the second number square. The midterm is multiply these 2 numbers and this 2. So you have this one. And then you can see you have x plus 45 equals 81 minus 18 square root x plus x. So this x can be cancelled with this x because both sides the same sign. If you move one to the other one, you make a different sign. But this radical x is still here. So that's why in this situation, we need first isolate this radical x. Combine the 81 to other side with 45. So what we can do this one, we make less negative. We can move negative 18 radical x to the left side. We got 18 square root x, which is positive. And transpose 45 to the right side, minus 45. So we have 18 square root x. 81 minus 45 equals 36. Then divide the 18 for both sides. We get square root x equal 2. Then we square again both sides. We got x equal 4, right? So at this moment, we can square both sides. We got x equal 4. To see if this is a solution, we need to check, plug into the original equation to check. So we can put x equal 4 into here, checking. To see if x equals 4. Then you can see on the left side, you plug 4 plus 45 plus 4 plus 45 plus square root of 4 to see if it equals 9. So square root 4 plus 45 is square root of 49 plus square root of 4 to see if it's 9. 49 square root equals 7. 4 square root equals 2. So you got 9 equals 9, which is this is the solution. So that's why this is so x equals 4 is the solution. Okay, this is presented by Wise Guy. Thank you.